Hi, my name is Renee. I am from Spring Grove, Pennsylvania. Been a nurse for over 12 years. I'm on my feet a lot. I'm also a fitness instructor. I've been into fitness basically my whole life. In high school, I was very big into sports, and being an athlete was just a big part of my life. And I came to Dr. Gary recently because of pain, low back pain that I couldn't figure out the cause for no matter what I did. I've been having symptoms for about over a year now. It's been in my lower back, and it would wake me up at night, and I tried certain things to see what the problem was. I thought it was me, maybe doing too much weight or too much exercise. But it would wake me up at night having this back pain. With being as athletic as I am and working out and being an instructor is a big part of my life, I felt like, am I getting old? Why am I having this pain? Like, I feel like I wasn't doing too much. I wasn't doing competitions or anything like that. I wasn't lifting any crazy amount of weight, but it just made me scared because of the pain that I was having, that I couldn't do things that I was used to doing, or lifting certain weight that I'm used to lifting because of the pain I was having. For my pain, I would try like Epsom salts in my lower back, or I would try heating pads. And also what I did was I just tried to rule out things by decreasing the amount of weight that I would lift on my back, and I would decrease the amount of jumping that I would do, and I also decreased the amount of squat weight that I would do in my classes, but none of that really seemed to help. The heat helped for a short time, but I was still just having the pain. And when I would squat, I noticed I'd be offline, like I wasn't squatting straight down. My hips were kind of tilted, and like the bar was tilted on me, like I wasn't aligned properly. And come to find out, when I come to see Gary, the biggest thing that we found out is that my pelvic joint was completely out of alignment. It was completely tilted backwards, and your spine, your pelvis, they all are connected together. So my muscles back here were compensating for all that, and for all that being out of align and causing the back pain. Well, Gary and I came up with a plan based on my assessment and the results, and he thought that it would not be a very long process because of coming in young and already being an athlete. So I started coming in just like twice a week, and I'd come in for that for 6 weeks, and then and that would decrease, and I would say the pain is so much better now. The first time he adjusted my back, it just completely blew, like you could hear, just the alignment was so out of whack. Well, it's certainly great to not wake up in the middle of the night anymore with pain. That I'm super happy about, and I can do the things that I was doing, like lift tires and lift squat weight, and I don't have any of that pain anymore. And people tell me now when I'm squatting, my hips aren't out of a line because my spine is actually back where it's supposed to be. It's just being years of active. Your pelvis turns, and there's nothing you can do about it. And the main thing I learned is, getting fixed now, and the treatments and the therapies really prevents it from getting worse. And I definitely probably saved myself back surgery in the future. I would definitely tell them to come see Gary, because I know he's awesome in what he does, and somebody referred me to him, and he doesn't just treat you to treat you. Like, he listens to you, and I would have someone see him before seeing a surgeon that just wants to cut you right away, because there could be something simple, just as your back or your pelvis being dislocated or out of alignment. So I'm like at 100% better now. I just want to say that before, when my friend told me, and she had a similar problem, I was very skeptical. I was like, well, I don't know. I just don't know if this is going to help me, but it really did.